When I do a fiberglass layout over wood, I prefer to give it a good generous drenching of resin at least a half hour before I start doing the actual layout. That way any resin that's going to soak into the wood got an opportunity to do so before, and not drain away from the laminates after it's dried. I did the first two floor sections off camera, but I decided to record this one and that little small triangular shaped one, the last one forward, just to show you how it was done. It's basically standard carpenter work, but when they're cut and fitted, I decided to put 2 layers of fiberglass mat on the bottom, and tomorrow now I'll trim the edges off and stick them down with Bostik adhesive. It'll take 24 hours for that to cure, so by the weekend I should be ready to polyfere the edges of it and start laying up the fiberglass on top of the floor.